Hey everybody, Cindy A. Lewis here. Welcome. I hope you have enjoyed the One Simple Thing Craft Your Stash edition this month. Creating space to create. Just giving us a moment to sit down and think, okay, what can I clear up? What helps me create? Can I create an inspiration basket to run to? How about a first use basket where it's on my desk and I can just look in there and grab buttons or whatever? And it just helps us. And today is no different. It's create before you organize, day 11. And it says 15 minutes, but you don't have to spend 15 minutes. Just spend some time looking at what's on your desk already that you were going to put away and create something with it before you put everything away. And so I was looking at my desk and I don't have a whole lot here, but I have some cardstock. I had some from cutting out my window yesterday. I have, this big piece here. So I thought, well, maybe I'll make some tags with this, or some journaling cards, or an ATC card, or something, something small. Have my first use basket here. And on my desk, I have some pressed flowers, some inks, and some butterflies. And I thought, okay, well, let's see, what can I do here? So these two are a little bit wide, so I'm going to trim them up, make it about maybe 2 3/4. Let's see, yeah, I think that will be good. And that's taking off this little bit of white marker, so I'm just going to do that for this one. This was the inside of my window, if you remember, or you were able to watch that video. So we've got that one, and then maybe I'll just make 2. And just use things that are already on my desk before I actually put them away. So I'm just trimming this down, and we're going to punch some holes in that to make the tag. I've got a couple tags. They're about the same size, a little bit shorter, which is good because that way it can fit in my pockets. Okay, so I have this on my desk too. It's beautiful, and it's almost perfect. We're just gonna go with it. This beautiful doily. I didn't finish talking until I started on another thought. Did you notice that? All right, so we're just gonna glue this on and make a real pretty tag. And your tags don't have to be elaborate. They don't have to have a million layers. They can just be simple and clean. I like that too. Then I have these beautiful flowers. Look at some of these. These are actually the most beautiful set. So I do like this big one, and I think it would fit on there. So let's see if it will. Look at this big flower. Ooh, I don't want to mess it up though. Let's see if I can grab it. Okay. So, okay, we got it. There we go. Now I'm going to have to do it this way. So the doily will be on the right side. Okay, and then let's put a word up there. All right, so I've got my flower, my doily. I put another flower up there, all that glue, and that'll dry and then reflect. That's really pretty. Okay, and now let's do this one. I don't have any doilies left on. Oh, I do have part of a doily. It's kind of big though. Let's do some flowers. I have some flowers from this. I have some fabric. I have a fabric square. Let's see. And I have some new. I have another fabric square, and I have dictionary page. So let's tear some of this. It's about the right size too. We'll ink the edges like that. Let's put this fabric on here. So let's just do it this way. We'll do it square. Nice. Pretty, huh? Okay. And then we've got these pretty flowers. I'm wondering if I should leave them together. I think I will. Let's just glue them on together. They fit really well. Cute. Then I have this little trim, which would be fun on one side or at the bottom. Let's try the side. Everything sticks to me lately. There we go. Look at that, how cute. And I think it does need a butterfly in the middle. So let's do butterfly in the middle. Butterfly loves all those flowers. Okay, and then we need a word. Almost just went to punching the hole, but let's go breathe. Just put breathe down here. There we go. Look how cute. And then we'll just, okay, and before we put everything away, we made a couple of tags and they're really beautiful. So I hope you enjoyed this one simple thing, and come back tomorrow for day 12.